Hey everybody, so I am back. I just finished washing my hair. I did my DIY. That's my other video, so you should go check that out before you watch this one so you can know all of the products that I used before I blow dried my hair. You can see it's not fully straight for a reason, because today we are doing the braided bun, 2 buns back here and then braids on both sides. A really cute hairstyle that I've been wearing because I'm always on the go with my little child now, and so I don't have time for these dramatic and crazy hairstyles. This is really easy for me, and it's easy for people who are going to school, or a mom, or whatever the case may be. It's really easy. So I already washed my hair. I put all my leave-in and products and all of that in it, and so I'm wearing Reggie's sweater because it is cold, but I was washing my hair, so I wanted to wear something comfortable. But anyways, so I already sectioned off. I put my my part down the middle, and so this is the side I'm going to start off with first. We're going to do 3 braids on one side and 3 braids on the other. So I sectioned it off. Side, I start from the beginning of my brow to right about here. Then for this little this little section, I don't know why I had a brain fart. This little section, I start from like the middle, or like the arch of my brow, to right here. So that's how I kind of get my braids symmetrical on both sides, because it's really hard to make straight lines. I'm gonna section off this side, and then we're gonna get started with the braids. All right guys, so I am back. So now that I look like a crazy person, I left these 2 sides out because it's gonna be easier for me to braid those since they're sectioned out. Don't really worry, like make sure that the sections in the front that you section off look better. It doesn't really matter in the back, because we're gonna stop right about here to make the buns anyway, so it doesn't have to be perfect in the back, but you do want the middle part to be sectioned off correctly, because if not, it's gonna kind of look weird, because that's the part that you notice. But the other sections don't really matter, because it's, like I said, it's gonna be braided up in a bun back here. But anywho, I wanted to show you that with these, they actually really are good. These are from Dollar Tree. If you watch my Dollar Tree haul, then you know that I love these class-free elastic bands. There's no metal in the back. The edge control that I'm gonna be using today is Cream of Nature Argan Oil Perfect Edges. This is really good. Sometimes I kind of dilute it a little tiny bit with water, but it's really good on its own. The reason I do that is because it's very thick, and it's a strong hold. That's what I'm trying to say. I use my little toothbrush to kind of lay down my edges. I got this from Dollar Tree too. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with the edge control. I'm gonna put a little bit on the tip of the brush, and let me take my glasses off. Sorry I look a little beat up because I'm not really doing anything today. Well, I don't know. I like to get all of the baby hairs and all of that, like real slick. And then since this section is a little bit easier, I'm gonna take my little rat tail comb and kind of go in between, so I can make the braid further at the top, because this section is a little thinner. So I kind of do kind of like a French braid. Yeah, I do a French braid. So I just do this in each little section. And grab another piece. And since I already since I already blow dried my hair, I don't have to really like go back in with the brush that much and make it even neater, because it already is pretty smooth. I wish this section was a little thicker, but it's okay. And if you can't see what I'm doing right now, just wait until I get to the bigger sections because you'll be able to see it. So I'm going to show you that I'm leaving a lot of this section out, like the bottom, because that's the part that we're going to braid in. You can go all the way down if you want a full braided effect, but I'm not going to do that because I like the braid and then an actual bun. So now we're going to go to this section. I look really pale, y'all. I haven't been out much because I'm inside a lot with Elijah, but Reggie is giving me a free day today. So I'm looking in the mirror real quick just to make sure I'm getting okay. Those elastic bands work really good from the Dollar Tree, y'all. All right. So I'm gonna take one piece, and one piece. I'm gonna take the last piece that I just had, put it over, put that other piece from the other side over the middle one, and then just keep going. So, and I'm gonna take, so I have this braid up here, then I'm gonna take a piece from right here, like a French braid, and then go over and keep doing it over and over. And I like to separate all of the sections like this because I feel like it makes it go by so much faster. I don't have a lot of time when Elijah's here, and so doing it this way makes a very big difference. And it's not as time consuming because I wish I could, oh, if y'all see my scalp is kind of red, it's because of my DIY scrub. I really went in, y'all, with the scrub, like really scrubbing my scalp out because I really needed it. It's not, I a lot of times get like irritated sections like that, so it's nothing to be concerned about. Y'all, what did y'all think of the R. Kelly thing? I don't really want to speak too much on it because it's very controversial, and I know some people feel like he's not guilty, but some people feel like he is. But I'm kind of feeling creeper vibes, cause you sitting around a school, like, come on now, dude, that's kind of creepy. I know if it was my daughter, his ass would be getting whooped. Just saying. So I'm leaving those sections out, and then we're going over to this section. But yeah, he would be getting his ass whooped. That lady, I feel so sorry for the families though. For the families who really, you know, didn't, I feel sorry for all of the families, but mostly for the families who really didn't have an idea of what he was doing. And then like he has police that are on his side. Like, what the hell, man? That's crazy. Then my girl Iyanla. Y'all, I love me some Iyanla. I watch her show all the time. But this lady, she said it was a sickness, which, I mean, it is. But I don't know how I feel about that. She wants him on the show. Then the man was like, oh, he's like, yeah, I do want help. But then when she's like, okay, well, you have to come on my show and say that everything you did, you have to tell the truth and say all the stuff that happened was true and you did it. He was like, no, I'm good. So my thing is this: if you know you didn't do it and you're trying to, like, erase all of that from people's minds and, like, stick up for yourself and say, no, of course I don't have these girls in my house right now as we speak under my control and brainwashed. Like, wouldn't you want to, like, speak up for yourself? I don't know. But that go to show you right there that man did it. Anywho, let me know what y'all guys think in the comments. I wanted to say too, in one of my vlogs, I think that I'm putting up soon, me and Reggie were watching that show, You. I don't know the girl, I don't know the guy's name, but he's been in other shows, I think, before. I don't know his name. But it's a really good show. It's very creepy. It's kind of a suspenseful show, but y'all, we don't watch regular cable. We watch Netflix. As you can see, back to the tutorial. We got these 3 braids on one side, so we're pretty much almost done this little section. So I'll let you kind of see the back. So you can see it's separated and all that good stuff. And then I just kind of take the other braids and like intertwine them so it can be real nice and tight. No specific way. So this side is left out. And I'm just kind of like braiding the braids that we did into each other, because what I'm gonna do is twist and twist back, and we're gonna have one of those scrunchies to secure that. So this is our bun, and what I normally do, I kind of secure the bun first and then I fluff it out at the end. So these are the 1, 2, 3 braids. Oh, and then at the end too, I kind of go back in with the edge control and make little baby hairs, you know. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna do this side and I'll be right back. So, all right guys, so I'm back. I finished this side. So I'm gonna do the same thing that I did on this side, kind of braid in these 3 sections. Okay, then I'm gonna twist, and it doesn't have to be perfect. There we go. And I do it probably like 2 times. So we have it both on these sides. I'm gonna take a little bit of the gel, kind of swoop. Yes, okay. My mom's texting me. What's she talking about? I don't know. Anyways. Me and my mom talk like every day. That's my boo. Okay. So this is the part in the back. It's straight down the middle. These are covered behind. I'm gonna make these buns a little bit fluffier, but I'm gonna clean this back up with the edge control gel. So yeah, this is the final look. Very, very cute. I normally wear big hoops with them because I like how it looks. But anywho, I like this look. Probably like big hoops, a red lip. Yes, you know, it's really cute. It's really cute, I guess. It's a really cute, I feel like it's like a summertime type of style too, where, you know, you don't have your hair all on your neck and stuff like that. So this is just a really good, simple hairstyle. Let me know if you want to see more styles like this, or send me photos, or leave a comment down below of any styles that you want to see. And let me know if you use any of these products like the edge control, or if you buy any of those scrunchies from, my mom keeps texting me, those scrunchies from the Dollar Tree. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our videos, man. I've been posting so many videos back to back. And so I really want to make sure that you guys push the post notification button to make sure that you see all of the videos that I post. Like, comment, and subscribe, because that way I'll know that you like the videos. Leave comments down below of other videos that you want to see. It doesn't have to just be hair tutorials. It can be anything. Just let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Where are my glasses? I will see you next time. Oh, I need to clean them. Let me close this video. I will see you guys next time. Love you. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.